take a little walk. Such a nice day outside, sun shining. It's a little cloudy. It's raining. But this is an interesting type of rain because it's raining shapes. What? I caught a rectangle. Oh my goodness, I got a diamond. It's so beautiful. And a circle. I think I'm gonna keep these for later. I love when it rains shapes. 3D shapes with Miss Jones. So we saw some 2D shapes when it was raining shapes. And I think I kept some of them in my bag. Let's see what I got. Oh, I got a circle and a square and a triangle and a rectangle and a diamond. So all those are two-dimensional shapes. But I'm curious about what are three-dimensional shapes? Well, I kind of want a snack. Let's see what I have in here to snack on. That's right, I brought an orange. I love oranges. Wait a minute, an orange is a 3D shape. It's called a sphere. It kind of is like a circle, except a circle is just flat. But a three-dimensional shape, there's more to it. You can hold it in your hand. So yeah, a sphere is round. Basketballs are spheres. Golf balls are spheres. A marble is a sphere. Lots of things are spheres. I'm glad I had that snack. Let's see, what else is there? Oh, man, I'm feeling so thirsty. Oh, water's so good. Hold on, my water bottle's a 3D shape. Let's see, it's long, it has kind of a circle shape on both sides. Oh, it's a cylinder. So, water bottle is a cylinder. That's pretty great. I had to use the bathroom lots of times on this trip and used all my toilet roll, but this is what was left, which is also a cylinder. It has this long part and the two circle parts on both sides. I think I could also be hungry still. Look at this jar of peanut butter. That's also shaped like a cylinder. See that? Dice. Wait a minute. That's a 3D shape. It has 6 faces. It's called a cube. After I played some games, maybe I was talking a lot on my phone, so I had to charge my phone. Oh, this part of my charger is also shaped like a cube. Well, I'm kind of hungry again. Maybe I should have some pasta. I love this type of pasta. This is also a 3D shape. This shape is called a cuboid. It has 6 sides, like a cube, but it's longer. So, my box of pasta. It's called the cuboid. It could also be called a rectangular prism. I think I am gonna do some more reading. This book was so good. This is just like the box of pasta. It's also a cuboid. I'm sure there's lots of things that are cuboids. I should get going to the birthday party I was headed to. Oops. I have my birthday party hat. Happy birthday. Some people had their birthday recently on Saturday. So, wait a minute. My birthday hat is shaped like a 3D shape. It's shaped like a cone. It's kind of triangular with a circle at the bottom. The last 3D shape, well, I have to do something kind of special to show it to you. Just hold on a second. But it's called a pyramid. And this is a pyramid. It's called a tripod. And it was how I was filming this video, but the bottom, the 3 legs, are shaped like a pyramid. Well, that's all. But I wonder, what kind of 3D shapes do you think you could find in your house? You should check. You'll probably find so many. Maybe you'll find a cone, or a sphere, or a pyramid, or a cylinder. Well, good luck.